Really? To make it, yeah, to make it quite bad. Like, it looks like you're okay, actually. It's like a tiny dip in chili sauce.
No, I know.
Oh, brilliant. There's a fire behind you, Ted. Oh, that's a fire.
Try with the kiddie drink.